Hey Candy Kings and Queens, welcome and welcome back. Yes honey, welcome and welcome back. It's been a long time, okay? Long time no see, but thank you guys as always for your patience and for hanging in there and waiting for your girl to show up and show out. Life has been lifing, okay? And I mean, you know, things happen for a reason and we're not gonna go all the way into details on that, but I appreciate everybody sending their condolences and sending their love my way, checking on your girl and reaching out to see how I'm doing. I appreciate all the love. You guys are so amazing and so awesome, and I really appreciate each and every last one of you guys. If you are new here, welcome. It's a pleasure to have you here with me today and checking out my video. I am Candy Dreams. I enjoy teaching everybody how to save money and how to make money. Let's go ahead and get into today's video because I already know y'all back there scoping and peeping out the background. Y'all like, girl, what is that junk you got going on back there? But listen, sweetheart, this is not junk, okay? This right here, this is what you need in your life, okay? This is like everything that you need to help you succeed, okay? We have the ultimate business bundle, we have the men's savings, and we also have the ladies savings journal. Yes honey, everything is in stock and everything is ready to go. By the way, what you see here is what we have left. So if you are late, meaning you have not signed up for the email list, right? Okay, so what are you waiting for to do that? What you waiting for? I'm gonna go ahead and give you a second to go ahead, go back down to the description and click on the link that's gonna take you over to my website and sign up for my drops. Okay, sign up for the newsletter, sign up for the coupons, sign up for everything so you know when everything is dropping so that you can get your hands on it first and you don't have to wait till the last minute and you don't have to worry about, oh man, it's sold out, how much more longer I gotta wait. Listen, patience is a virtue. I got you, boo. But no, but seriously, this is all that we have left, so please go ahead and take advantage while you still can, okay? You don't want to miss out on these. So I know you're like, okay, well exactly what is that? What do you mean by the ultimate bundle? So a lot of you guys probably already know I have the digital bundle of the ultimate business bundle, where basically it's a step-by-step guide on all types or a variety of different business ideas that you can start today with little to no money down. And I'm talking about little to no money down. Some of them, like the digital millionaire, you can start with absolutely no money whatsoever. Yes, and it is my favorite business model. Each one of the business models that I show you, of course, it gives you in-depth details on exactly how to start, what to do, how to market, and how to make those sales and how to keep those sales rolling in, and how to even scale it up. So yes, there's some marketing tips inside there as well. A lot of you guys requested a physical copy of the book because not everybody likes to do everything digitally, and that's totally okay. And then you got some of you guys who are amazing and like, you know what, I need both of them, right? That's me. I need both. I want to be able to physically touch it because sometimes I like to jot down notes and write down things really quick, and then a lot of times I like to keep it in digital format because it's way more organized for me. What I have right here actually is a couple of orders that I'm getting ready to pack, so you're kind of doing like a little pack with me video, and I'm going to go through it and show you guys exactly what comes inside each box, so that way you'll have a better idea of exactly what you're getting when you do make your purchase. Here is the ultimate business bundle, okay? The ultimate business bundle hard copy, okay? Look, get into it, okay? Let me take it out the pack. What your girl say? Busting out the plastic. That's Lotto, by the way, for those of you who don't know. That's, yeah, Lotto. Okay. All right, so here she is. You have your gold ring binder and you have your gold corner protectors, okay, front and back. Yes honey, front and back, so you don't have to worry about your book cover getting all scarred up and scratched up. And by the way, this is hardcover, you hear it, okay, period. So and then when you open it up, of course, it's everything that you get inside of the digital bundle. Of course, you have your prayer, and there's the table of contents. There is this very helpful and handy bookmark, okay? So this way you don't get lost and you know how to save your pages wherever you stop. It comes with a total of 11 business ideas that you can start from top to bottom, from the beginning to the end, okay, to leave you stress-free, worry-free, and question-free, okay? But of course, if you do have questions along the way, you know I got you, boo. Go ahead and send me an email and I will get to you as soon as possible. Okay, so like I said, I do have a couple of orders that I have to package up and get out today. These were just a couple of that got, you know, ordered over the weekend. We'll not be able to send them out until tomorrow, but package a couple of items with me. It's a really good way for you guys to to take a peek behind the scenes and see exactly what goes into each order. Okay, so yes, like I said, I only have a couple for today. All right, and it looks like everybody actually ordered the ultimate bundle. So we'll be doing the ultimate bundle here, and then I'll do a separate video or a separate unboxing video so you guys can see the savings journal. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. In case anybody is wondering, or in case if you need, this is my OFFNOVA label printer, and it really has come in clutch. Okay, like I'm talking about clutch, like literally I don't have to worry about ink, I don't have to worry about a whole lot of paper being used, and it already comes with the sticky back on the back, so you don't have to worry. Like your shipping labels, this one's a little broken, but your shipping label is printed on the nice 4x6 card just like that, and you can easily just peel it and stick it. Like, it's just that cool. And not only that, they also OFFNOVA also supplies you, of course, with the shipping paper. Everything will be linked down below, so just in case if you are wondering or if you need it, go ahead and shop with OFFNOVA. Look at how easy that is. Look at that. Yes. Simple. Okay, so that's all the orders, or those were all the orders that I currently had to place for today. So yes, that was just a little behind the scenes on, you know, wrapping some things up real quick. Might as well do a 2-for-1, right? Go ahead and knock 2 birds out with 1 stone. Again, I'm just so glad to be back, and I couldn't wait to get back on here and talk to you guys and hang out and see how everybody is doing and just say hello, you know. So I hope everybody's being safe and everybody's doing well, and I will see you guys back soon. Again, don't forget, I got a lot of things down below, and I do have some new things coming up, especially when it comes to the savings journey. So listen, I'm about to film that right now, matter of fact, just because I don't want to delay it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done for you right now. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you back soon, and I love you so much. Bye, babe.